I got some comments, not online. I got some in-person comments about the last video I did on Puketitoe Road. And they were from a young fella, so I'm not going to say I take them with a grain of salt, but I get it. Young people have zero fears. I just have zero fucks. And his suggestion was I need to drop it down a gear and give it more gas. Now, he may be correct. He may be right. But I don't know whether he knows what this bike is. I mean, this thing is it's a 650cc single. I affectionately call it the Kawasaki Ferguson because it is a fucking tractor of a bike. So while I probably could chop it down a gear and give it more herbs, it actually lugs itself nicely. Although maybe he'll be enjoyable. I have chopped it down a bit, and I must admit I'm enjoying it too. But the speed hasn't changed. I'm still only doing about 40 k's, but it feels like I'm fucking flying.